Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country chic farmhouse home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage country chic farmhouse home decor is a decorating style that mixes old-fashioned vintage charm, cozy country warmth, and soft, elegant farmhouse elements. It creates a home that feels comfortable, nostalgic, and beautifully lived in. Key idea: this style combines three popular decor styles. First, vintage, old or antique-looking items, distressed furniture, and nostalgic features. Country chic, use soft, cozy, and charming decorations inspired by countryside homes. Next, farmhouse, rustic oud, simple furniture, and natural materials. Together, they create a warm, charming, and slightly rustic home with elegant touches. Main features of vintage country chic farmhouse decor: use a soft, neutral color palette. Colors are usually calm and cozy, such as cream, soft white, beige, light cream, pastel pink, or shades green. These colors make a home feel bright, calm, and welcoming. Uses distressed or antique furniture. Furniture often looks aged or lightly worn. For example, whitewashed wooden tables, vintage cabinets, distressed dressers, antique wooden chairs. This gives the space a rustic farmhouse character. Vintage decorative items. Decor pieces often include nostalgic or antique style items like old clocks, vintage frames, enamel pictures, antique trays, or glass jars. These small details create a timeless country charm. Uses natural materials. Natural textures are very important, such as wood, linen, cotton, wicker, or rattan. They make the home feel warm and organic. Uses handmade and cozy textiles. Soft textiles add comfort and charm, such as crochet blankets, lace table runners, floral cushions, handmade pillow covers. Uses floral and cottage-inspired patterns. Many homes use small floral prints, vintage botanical patterns, soft cottage fabrics. These patterns bring country cottage beauty to the space. Overall feeling: vintage country chic farmhouse decor creates a home that feels warm, cozy, romantic, rustic but elegant, full of vintage charm. It often looks like a beautiful countryside cottage with antique treasures and soft farmhouse touches. Vintage country chic farmhouse home decor is a warm and nostalgic decorating style that blends rustic farmhouse simplicity, romantic vintage charm, and cozy cottage elegance. It creates a home that feels peaceful, inviting, and full of character, as if it has been lovingly decorated over many years. Here is some more detailed information about this beautiful decor style. Warm and lived-in atmosphere. One of the most important ideas in this style is that the home should feel comfortable and lived-in, not perfect or modern. Instead of shiny new items, the decor often includes slightly old wooden furniture, antique or second-hand pieces, handmade decorations. This creates a homey countryside feeling. Mix of old and simple pieces. Vintage country chic farmhouse style often mixes old antique items with simple farmhouse furniture. For example, a rustic wooden dining table with vintage chairs, An old cabinet decorated with lace or crochet cloth. Vintage jars used as flower vases. The combination gives the home personality and history. Soft, romantic touches. Unlike very rough rustic decor, this style adds soft and feminine details to create a charming look. Common romantic elements include lace fabrics, floral prints, soft pastel colors, ruffled cushions, or curtains. These details make the space feel gentle and cozy. Focus on handmade decorations. Handmade decor is very important in this style. It adds warmth and uniqueness to the home. Popular handmade items include crochet blankets, crochet pillow covers, crochet table runners, or handmade wall hangings. Natural and rustic kitchen style. The kitchen is usually the heart of the home in this decor style. It often features wooden shelves, vintage jars and enamel containers, ceramic plates on display, linen or crochet kitchen textiles. The kitchen should look practical, charming, and welcoming. Simple, natural-inspired decorations. Nature plays a big role in this style. Many homes include fresh flowers in jars, dark flowers or lavender, wooden trays, or wicker baskets. These elements bring a fresh countryside feeling indoors. Vintage storage and organization. Stay-up plastic containers. This style uses beautiful vintage storage items such as wooden crates, glass jars, metal baskets, old tins. The spaces are both decorative and functional. Vintage country-chic farmhouse decor makes a home feel peaceful, charming, cozy, rustic but elegant, full of vintage countryside beauty. It is perfect for people who love antique charm, handmade crafts, cottage style, and warm farmhouse interiors. Here are more practical tips to create a beautiful vintage country-chic farmhouse home decor style in your home. These ideas help make the space feel warm, charming, and cozy. Use wooden trays for decoration. Place rustic wooden trays on coffee tables or kitchen counters. You can decorate them with small flower vases, candles, vintage jars, or mini plants. This creates a simple farmhouse centerpiece. Decorate with vintage glass jars. Old glass jars are perfect for farmhouse decor. You can use them as flower vases, kitchen storage, candle holders. They add a beautiful touch to any room. Add crochet or lace table runners. A crochet or lace table runner on dining tables, dressers, or coffee tables instantly creates a soft, vintage farmhouse look. Neutral colors like cream or beige work best. Display wicker baskets. Wicker or rattan baskets are both decorative and useful. You can use them for blanket storage, magazine holders, or plant baskets. They add natural farmhouse texture. Create a small flower corner. Fresh or dried flowers bring country charm to the home. Try using lavender, wildflowers, roses, or baby's breath. Place them in vintage pictures or messengers. Use soft floral cushions. Floral cushions or pillow covers help create a romantic cottage feeling. Choose patterns with small roses, soft pastel flowers, or vintage floral prints. Decorate walls with vintage frames. Hang old-style frames or wooden frames on the wall. You can put inside them botanical prints, old photographs, Nature illustrations. This add a classic vintage look. Use white or cream curtains. Light cotton or linen curtains in white or cream make the room feel bright, soft, and airy. They match perfectly with farmhouse decor. Add a cozy crochet blanket. A crochet blanket placed on a sofa or chair instantly makes the room feel warm and welcoming. This is a perfect decoration for vintage farmhouse homes. Decorate with antique kitchen items. Old kitchen tools can become beautiful decorations, such as vintage teapots, wooden spoons, enamel bowls, or old cutting boards. Display them on open shelves for a farmhouse look. Vintage country chic farmhouse decor look best when it feels natural, simple, and not overcrowded. A few charming vintage pieces can make a big difference. Use distressed or whitewashed furniture. Furniture with a distressed or whitewashed finish fits perfectly in this style. For example, white wooden cabinets, rustic coffee tables, old wooden benches. This gives the home a soft vintage farmhouse charm. Display vintage teacups or dishes. Open shelves or cabinets can display floral teacups, vintage platters, or antique bowls. These small details add a classic country kitchen feeling. Decorate with old wooden crates. Wooden crates can be used for shelf decoration, plant holders, or storage boxes. They add rustic farmhouse texture to the room. Use soft lighting. Warm lighting makes the home feel cozy and relaxing. Try using table lamps with fabric shades, lantern-style lights, or candle holders. Soft light creates a romantic vintage atmosphere. Add rustic wall shelves. Wooden wall shelves are perfect for farmhouse decor. You can place on them small plants, vintage jars, mini picture frames, or decorative plates. This makes the wall look charming and organized. Use natural fabric tablecloths. Choose cotton or linen tablecloths with simple patterns like small florals, gingham, and soft stripes. These fabrics give the dining area a country cottage look. Decorate with vintage clocks. An old-style wall clock can become a beautiful focal point in the room. It adds nostalgic farmhouse character. Use enamel or ceramic containers. Farmhouse kitchens often use enamel pitchers, ceramic jars, and metal canisters. They are both decorative and useful. Keep the decor simple and balanced. The beauty of vintage country chic farmhouse style is simplicity. Avoid too many decorations. Instead, choose a few meaningful vintage pieces that create a calm and cozy atmosphere. Adding handmade crochet items like table journals, cushion covers, or bottle covers can make the decor feel more personal and authentic. Layer different textures. Use different textures together to create a warm look. For example, linen tablecloths, crochet table journal, and wooden tray. Mixing textures makes the space feel rich and cozy. Decorate with vintage books. Stack old books on tables or shelves. You can place a small flower vase or candle on top. This creates a beautiful vintage display. Use floral wall art. Hang wall art with botanical prints or vintage flower illustrations. This artwork brings a soft cottage-style charm to the room. Add a rustic ladder decor. A wooden ladder can be used as decoration. You can hang crochet blankets, towels, or small baskets. It becomes a unique farmhouse decor piece. Use vintage mirrors, old-style mirrors with wooden or antique frames. Make rooms look brighter, larger, and more elegant. They are perfect for farmhouse interiors. Decorate with small indoor plants. Plants bring life to the space. Try using herbs, small potted plants, or hanging plants. Place them in ceramic pots or rustic containers. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.